Artificial intelligence is on everyone's lips. In this learning video, I would like to show you what is possible with artificial intelligence in Business Central and SwissSalary. My name is Mark Fahrni, CEO of SwissSalary. Many people have already interacted with artificial intelligence and ChatGPT. We know that it's very easy to ask questions there and receive very relevant answers, which of course we need to verify for correctness. But the main work is already done. With SwissSalary and Business Central, you have Copilot as artificial intelligence fully integrated and available free of charge. This means you can activate it, and the data will be processed within the Swiss region. This ensures we are at the perfect level regarding data compliance. Now, which functions are already integrated with Copilot in SwissSalary? Which ones are available? Currently, there are 4 of them. The first function is a search, an employee list search, a wage type list search, etc. Searching for data is now very easy using normal German, English, or French language. You can ask the system questions, and it will automatically create an employee list based on your query. This is the first important and helpful point that allows you to create searches or lists much faster. The second point, if you want to create a completely new company and define job descriptions for your positions, you can now document your company, including the industry, location, and size.
Welche Art von Branche ich unterwegs bin, wo ich angesiedelt bin und wie groß die Unternehmung ist.
Copilot will then automatically generate the positions for you. The third point, you can also document these positions further. For example, if you hire a software developer, you can automatically generate a complete job description. You see how easy this is. You describe the position, and Copilot creates the documentation for you. The fourth point is a huge added value. You can generate an employee from a contract or CV using drag and drop. The employee will be created automatically with all data extracted and restructured from the document, whether it's a Word file, PDF, or image. Copilot supports us here. And this is just the beginning of where the journey is going. On the screen, you see personal assistants. The next step is agents. Agents use Copilot, and for example, in payroll or financial accounting, an agent can automate recurring, tedious processes. One example we have implemented, and will soon release as a sneak peek, employees can communicate with HR via email. The agent responds appropriately to these emails, provides answers if needed, and automatically creates the data in SwissSalary. For example, an address change request will be processed automatically, and if necessary, the agent will ask for additional documents before completing the task.
Fragt der Agent automatisch nach, hey, du brauchst weitere Informationen, Dokumente, wo du das belegen kannst, bevor entsprechend diese Arbeit vervollständigt werden kann. Der Agent kommuniziert.
The agent communicates back and forth and finally sends the approval to the HR employee, saying, "I've done my job, please check if everything is correct." You see how modern Business Central and Microsoft agents can work, and you will see many more agents simplifying our daily lives. Stay tuned, there's much more to come.